Hey guys there, welcome to my channel. I'm Seed674. So I'm trying to develop my farm. You can see this one is my goat. So I also have a pig here. You can see it is eating the yams, and here they are also my chicks. You see how I tried to make a smaller house for them. So I request you kindly support me. You can subscribe, comment, like and share. In other words, I would wish you to donate me like other 10 chicks. I would wish to also enlarge my house for chicks. I add another small house here. I keep other chicks. So you can kindly support me. I develop my poultry keeping, because you know in Africa most people who can survive, they base their part on agriculture, where there is rearing of animals and also planting crops. I'm on the side of rearing animals, so that's why I have there my goat, but I've not yet made for it its own room. That's why you see it's outside, it stays there. So I'm also on a risk, because we have some thieves around may steal my goat. I also kindly request you for your donation so that I can build it a good house where I can keep it and I make sure it's safe. I also request someone may donate me another goat. I also rear it. See here my piglet also. Also needs a smaller house. Kindly request you for love and support. So, to my new fans, I want to inform you that I'm always putting there some good videos for you to watch and you enjoy your free time. Always follow, subscribe, comment, like, share. And to my old fans, thank you for your love and support. Really, you have been with me and you have shown me your love. So kindly, if you can really do the donation to me, then God will be happy and will also bless the work of your hands. Thank you. I'm Seed674.